In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to win Monopoly Go tournament. So step one, all you have to do is to simply launch your Monopoly Go application. And I am going to tell you the tips and tricks on how to win in Monopoly Go tournament. So step two, before the tournament, you have to make sure that you gather extra dice so you have enough to play the tournament. Step 3, you have to use a greater multiplier when it seems advantageous to do so. Step 4, you have to close the application and reopen it again to get rewards after the tournament is over. So collecting rewards is indeed a big advantage. Step 5, there is this suggestion. Advise joining late to maximize your chances of winning. So I don't know what's with this reason, but they say that this one is effective. And another thing, bank highs work well in 2-day competitions. And then step 6, go to connect and add some friends. Invite some players to the game to take advantage of shutdown. So that means you need to add some friends in game to get advantage of shutdown. Okay, so these are just a few tips on how to win in Monopoly Go tournament. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.